What's good, YouTube? For clicking on this video. So I don't know how much I lost on this trade, but it'll definitely be in the title. Um, I took this trade within this 1 or 4 hour price action candlestick here. So I based my daily bias off of uh, the trend of the 4 hour time frame. So this bullish candlestick broke this high here. So I was taking my daily bias. I was taking buys based off my 4 hour daily bias. So with that information, we can go into the 1 hour time frame and gain some more information. So I took this trade within this bearish candlestick here. The main mistake that I made with this trade here was I, I took the trade a little bit after 1 o'clock, or it might have been 2 o'clock actually. Just after this candlestick, this bearish candlestick closed, and this bearish candlestick closed below this uh, low right here, which basically invalidated my trade idea, and that was the main mistake that I did make. But I literally took it like 5 minutes after uh, this candlestick closed, and it kind of threw me for a loop, and I was not expecting it at all. But if I would have known that it had closed below that low barely, then I wouldn't have even took the trade. Okay, but I'll show you what I did anyways. So I was waiting for price to sweep this 1 hour low here. Yeah, this 1 hour low. And the price came down, swept it with this bearish candlestick here. With the momentum and all the liquidity that it just swept, it caused this breaker structure to the upside here with this bullish candlestick breaking this high right here. Okay, so price came back down. This was the order block, the move down that caused this move up. So price came back down into this order block, and then I can scale down into the 1 minute time frame. It's going to be a minute before I can get back to my spot. Okay, so price came back into this 5 minute order block, this box here, and also I had equilibrium drawn out here. It came below equilibrium, came down into the 5 minute order block, and then gave me a breaker structure to the upside with this bullish candlestick on the 1 minute time frame breaking this high here. So I entered based off of that information with my stop loss below the order block and below this low here. So I thought it was pretty safe to say that this was going to be an okay trade, but it ended up stopping me out, which is completely fine. And it ended up going down into the fair value gap and moving up for a long time, for a pretty long time. But I wouldn't have been able to take a trade off of that information anyways because the 1 hour had closed below that low. Excuse me. But yeah, on the 5 minute time frame, uh, within this 5 minute candlestick, which is where I took the trade at, it had closed below this low, which invalidated uh, the first trade I did as well before I knew that the 1 hour candlestick, bearish candlestick, had broke to the downside. I could have took this trade. I don't know if I have enough time to explain, but the main mistake of this trade though was just I did not check the 1 hour time frame and I did not see that break of structure. So on the 15-minute time frame, I could not have taken this trade with this candlestick here because price didn't break structure until here, and I was trying to take a trade off of it, but it didn't end up working out. I don't think so, at least. But yeah, I appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you. You have a good rest of your day.